946 Northwest 56. Date is June 21st, 2022. Out here cameraing the line from the toilet access here in the basement of the home. Getting prepped for a sewer repair project starting this week for Bob Oates Plumbing. City main flowing by there out in 56th. Come back from that point, coming from clay into a section of concrete sewer line. Six-inch diameter concrete sewer coming back from the main back towards the property line here. Back into 4-inch diameter sewer line here. Connection point for the driveway drain branch arm here, located about 8 feet deep on property under the grass. Connection for the laundry drain there, and the floor drain in the basement of the house. We're going to pause and locate this one more time. Continuing the recording, that's located about 8 feet deep, very near to the back steps, or the side yard porch steps. And this is the last turn. It's blown out. We're going to pause and locate. Continuing the recording, that's about 7 feet deep, just in the pathway. Right in where the concrete pathway starts. You're going to see the blown out turn there. And then there's this section all along the back of the house and the stairwell. The stairwell drain ties into it. We'll see that in just a second. There's your stairwell drain connection on the left side of the screen. There is the connection for one of the downspout pipes. And we come back around the corner and back into the cast iron piping right here. So there's the cast iron transitioning to concrete, and we'll come out of that old cast. And there is where we're making this recording from. Here's the toilet flange in the bathroom. Ending the video there.